You may have heard that for 2020, Apple is no longer bundling charging bricks and earpods with their iPhones. And this is happening across all of their iPhone models, whether it be the new iPhone 12 or older models like the iPhone 11. Apple claims that they're cutting these accessories from their iPhone boxes to meet their environmental goals and reduce carbon emission. Sure, Apple is going for the environmental angle here, but we all know at the end of the day, ultimately it's about saving those dollars. So I actually bought an iPhone 11 today, and to my surprise, it came in the new 2020 iPhone boxes, if you will. I just want to provide you guys with a quick look at this new packaging and let you know that if you do decide to buy an iPhone from here on out, this is what to expect. Also, if you guys are new to the channel, this is a tech channel and I will be picking up all of the iPhone 12 models for review purposes, so consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like down below. Okay, so this is what the new 2020 box looks like. It is essentially the old box but cut in half now, so it is a lot thinner than what we are normally accustomed to. Here's a comparison of the new box alongside the iPhone 8's box. So it is about half the thickness and it does sort of look cool and minimal, to be honest. Here's another comparison alongside the older iPhone 5S box. So it does maintain the same length as the old iPhone 11 box, all while coming in at a smaller form factor. Let's do a quick unboxing of the iPhone 11 and just see how everything is lined up within the box, and more importantly, let's see if we still get Apple stickers. Inside the box, we of course get the iPhone 11 along with a lightning to USB-C cable and of course instruction manuals, which sort of look like small cue cards now. Now, if you are new to the Apple ecosystem and you don't have a USB-C charging brick, you do have to buy one now in order to charge your new iPhone. Of course, if you do have the older lightning to USB-A charging cable, then you can use that along with a USB-A brick to charge your phone. Interestingly enough, Apple has reduced the price of their USB-C power adapter from $29 to just $19 now, and if you guys do want links to that, I will leave it in the description below. Surprisingly, we still get a SIM card ejector tool. I'm not sure when that's going to be phased out, and unfortunately we only get one Apple sticker now instead of the usual two. So if you want two Apple stickers, you're going to have to buy two iPhones. I'm sorry. But yeah, that's been your first look at the 2020 new iPhone boxes. Expect other OEMs to also follow suit and sort of phase out the charging brick sometime in the near future. That's been it for me. Expect the 8th generation iPad review to drop tomorrow, along with a bunch of other videos dropping next week, so stay tuned for that. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to flex with your new 2020 iPhone boxes.